Hey guys, welcome on in. Happy Friday to you, or whatever day it is that you're watching this. Welcome to our next project, which is entitled Photocopy. Now, the idea behind this project is that over between Photo 1 and half of Photo 2 that you finished so far, you've developed a certain amount of skills for photography, and you understand composition, art elements, some Photoshop along the way too, camera angles, and how to use your camera really well up to this point. What we're going to be doing with this project is testing your skills and kind of seeing where you're at. Now, the first part about this project is it's going to be a group project. So you need to be in a group of 3. So do that thing where you look around the room and you're like, is it you? Is it you? Yeah, it's us. Okay. Because you're going to be in a group of 3 for this. Now, once you're in your group of 3, what you're going to be doing is selecting photos. And what I have here are an assortment of famous photographs throughout history, and each one is given a difficulty label to it. I'm going to move my face here so you can actually see the difficulty label. Now, this is a goofy photo, obviously. Michael Jordan in his dorm room from 1983. 2 points for this one. Okay, and what you're going to be doing is going through these photos. You can see this one, Dolly Atomicus. That's the most difficult one that I have so far. That one's worth 5 points. You're going to be going through these photos and selecting amount of photos that add up to 7 total points. You need to get 7 points for this to get credit for this assignment. So going through these photos, you can see that there's some famous photos that we've talked about in class before. There's some that we haven't talked in class before. But what you're going to be doing is doing research on these photos. Is there a bigger story behind it? Who was the photographer for this? And then planning out how you're going to recreate these photos. So again, difficulty, pay attention to that. Within your group, decide which photos that you're going to choose. A maximum of 4 is going to get you over 7. And additionally, on the end there, if you have another photo that you have in mind that you want to recreate, you just need to run that by me, and then I can approve that and give you a difficulty range for that photo also. Okay, and then you can decide if it's worth it or not. Okay, so that's what we're doing today. Today, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be selecting your photos and starting your research paper. Now, the research paper, which I have over here, I'll show you that real quick. This is the research paper here. Now, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be filling this out. Group members at the top. Over there on the right, you're going to put the total amount of photos and the total amount of points that you're going to be receiving. But basically, you're going to be answering questions like, what makes this photo interesting? Is there a deeper story behind it? And then you're planning what elements, composition tools do you need to pay attention to? What creative changes are you going to make for your own copy? It doesn't have to be a exact recreation. You can do your own reimagining of the photo itself. What roles will your group members take in the recreation of this photograph? And then what editing do you plan on doing in Photoshop to complete the look of this photo? Okay, we're trying to match the tone of each photo, but again, you can make a couple creative changes. But I just want to know, when I look at the old photo and I look at your photo, I want to be able to see similarities in there. So there you go. Good luck. Photocopy away. Bye, guys.